When it comes to sharing your screen, have you thought about using the virtual desktops? If you haven't, then let me explain a bit more in today's video. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach, here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. So, virtual desktops. This is fully built into Microsoft Windows 10 and 11. And what it lets you do is hide things. So you can have your applications that you normally use running, but you create a virtual desktop with the specific apps and files that you want to share and share just that. It means that your audience can't see anything else. So before you start sharing, you need to set up the virtual desktop. There's, of course, multiple ways to do it. If you're somebody who prefers uh, using the mouse, then here at the bottom of the screen, we've got the arrows next to the Windows search that is the task view. As you click on that, it opens up and you can see here in the very top right-hand corner, we've got new desktop. As you click on there, it now has created two desktops for me. So desktop one is my main one and desktop two. So I can go into desktop two, where you'll see it's completely blank. Nothing is running, which means I've got a clean screen to share from. I can open up my applications. Let's do PowerPoint as an example. I'm just going to create a completely blank presentation. Let's just create that. And you'll see that I've got basically just the application that I've chosen, which means that I'm not having to hide, close down any of my other applications. I can now run my screen share, sharing whatever I need to, have it open, etc. When I'm done, I simply need to close everything down and I can go back into my desktops. I can click on the X to close my second desktop, which returns me back to my blank one. I can just press escape and I'm back here with my applications running, ready to continue working. Option number two for those keyboard people like me. Hopefully everybody is used to the tab switching. It's a slight variation, and what we're going to do is on the keyboard use the Windows key and the tab, and you can see that that takes me into the same option, and I can now switch between my applications. If you like this tip, please do give the video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe and click that notification bell to be told as new videos are released from the channel.